And Ghar Se Jao Budget पे I would love to introduce you to a friend of mine who's visiting from Dubai and also the fact कि वो खुद एक बहुत ही talented interior designer हैं. वो not only लोगों को tips देती हैं, उनके घर को सजाने में उनकी मदद करती हैं, but she is also the co-founder of TSD Design House and WearX TSD. और ये हमें बताएंगी what this actually is it as well. And I'm very proud to say she's a TEDx speaker as well and she's an art curator as well. और वो अपने सारे स्किल सेट किस तरीके से अमालगमेट करती हैं और आपका घर सजाने में आपकी मदद करेंगी. लेट्स गो अहेड एंड मीट हर. हर नेम इज़ हुमा रेहान मिर्ज़ा. Hello, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Hi Rejna.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Looking good. So it's been a while, हुमा. हम लोगों ने पहला I think मैंने जब शो शुरू किया था तो I think one of my first week episode was with you.
Yes.
और माशाल्लाह life has really comes full circle.
Yeah.
अब हम वापस आप I think कराची भी इसी टाइम पे विजिट करती हो, so that's why it makes sense. All right. So Huma, we've had a lot of interior designers and architects who've come to the show. और हर किसी की अपनी theme होती है, एक अपनी understanding होती है. What would you say is yours?
So I would say mine is a lot more minimalist.
ठीक है.
I love working with ivory and beige colors. I feel it brings a sense of warmth in the house.
Yeah.
So, and I feel the trends in Pakistan are really changing. You know, from
Absolutely.
the stark white, now I see the houses here are a lot more beige and ivory colors पे अब वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. वो एक एक uniformity घर में ले आते हैं.
Uniformity आती है. But अगर हम घर के बाहर के पेंट का भी discuss करें, in my neighborhood someone has decided to paint their house blue.
Interesting.
Okay, and it's so not appealing at all. Imagine आप गली के अंदर turn कर रहे हैं और आपके सामने एक नीले रंग का घर है. So I think कुछ लोग काफी दफा realize नहीं करते कि ivory and all is good, but then sometimes people have gone all out.
Exactly.
And started, painting the houses bright shades of turquoise and blue as well.
Exactly. Yes.
Acha. So how do you use color to transform a space? Is that something you do a lot?
I do. So the styling duo is also known as the color pop.
अच्छा.
Because we love adding color. But I think color is very tricky. तो color के साथ आपको कैसे use करना है वो एक बहुत important factor होता है. जहाँ I think designer को बहुत educate करना होता है अपनी audience को, अपनी client को. Because sometimes the client will get really excited and say कि मुझे blue sofa भी चाहिए और मुझे blue curtains भी चाहिए and I just love blue, so you have to explain it to them. You can't have your primary furniture as that bold color, because then थोड़ी देर बाद you will only get tired of it.
And you're right, it gets too much. I remember once Mama decided to get, she was on this craze, and speaking of burnt orange, आप लोगों की screen पे भी actually आ रहा है. She had, how this was a craze of the color burnt orange?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's still in fashion for homes.
I do love it, so I do like to incorporate it.
But Mama decided to have an entire burnt orange sofa. So every time हम लोग बाहर निकलते थे उसको देख के, I felt like it was such an appetite-inducing one. हम उस सोफे पे बैठ के सिर्फ खाना खा सकते हैं, right? Because color से आपका mood कितना affect होता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
So what would you say are your favorite colors other than ivory and white? What pops do you play with?
So I really like adding warm earthy tones because I feel वो एक बहुत घर में ना एक घर को एक घर की फील देते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
और जैसे हम प्लांट्स ऐड करते हैं तो वो ग्रीनरी, वो ये नेचुरल कलर ऑफ जो ग्रीन है ना, वो ऑलिव कलर. सो आई लव एडिंग दैट बिकॉज उससे जो है ना घर घर लगता है. सो हम आवर रोल इज़ बेसिकली कि एक कमरे को हम एक रूम की तरह एक वो वार्मथ फील कराएं.
बिल्कुल. एंड यू आर राइट, बिकॉज अगर हम पिक्चर्स में देखें तो वी कैन सी, एंड द ऑडियंस इज एक्चुअली वाचिंग इट टू, वी कैन सी रेड पिलर्स and we can see sudden pop of blues. Is that something people still do? Is that okay?
They still do it, but oh my god, that needs to be banned. That needs to be completely
even for kids' room.
I think red is a very bold color. Right. It's a very aggressive color. It's a very strong color.
Yeah.
So I feel कि bedrooms में और kids' room में it aggravates aggression. And I feel आपकी अगर कमरा ही इतना bold हो तो आपकी sleep भी disturb होती है.
Absolutely.
It's like colors are a whole psychology. It's a science in itself.
Absolutely. And did you study it like that as well? जब when you were doing interior designing and all, क्या इसी तरीके से समझाया जाता है?
I did.
Wow.
तो हमें पूरे primary colors, secondary colors, how to blend the colors.
In fact, अगर हम लोग online देखें, guys, आजकल तो इतने resources भी available हैं. We see these palettes that are already made. They'll have sage, they'll have, you know, lemon yellow, they'll have burnt orange with grey, white, ivory, just to tell you that these are the colors you can play with in a house.
Exactly.
Right? So I think that makes a lot of difference. Acha, so what are some of the 10 top ways in which when you enter a room, you're like, acha Richa, this is how I think we're going to redo it. हम लोग पहली चीज़ क्या देखते हैं?
आई थिंक जो पहली चीज़ आप देखते हैं एज ए डिज़ाइनर, तो मैं देखूंगी विंडोज़, नेचुरल लाइटिंग कैसे आ रही है, कमरे की लाइटिंग, कमरे का कलर. बट फॉर अ क्लाइंट, फॉर अ पर्सन जिसको इंटीरियर्स का लेट से कोई ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है, आई थिंक आई वुड वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उनका प्राइमरी फोकस क्या है, व्हाट डू दे वांट फ्रॉम दैट रूम. सो यू नो बेसिक थिंग्स, वील फर्स्ट लुक एट द फर्नीचर, वील लुक एट द टाइप ऑफ फर्नीचर, एंड जैसे अब सस्टेनेबल फर्नीचर बहुत वापस बैक आ रहा है.
In fact, you have a brand as well. That's
I do.
Do tell us about that. How do you incorporate that within your work?
So we have started sustainable clothing, sustainable tote bags. So because you know I live in Dubai, and Pakistan is so rich in culture and history.
Absolutely.
So when I was decorating with colors, so art plays a very important role in beautifying a space.
Absolutely.
तो हम बहुत पाकिस्तानी आर्ट क्यूरेट करना शुरू हुए.
Wow. अच्छा.
और जब मैं पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट के साथ बैठ के काम करना शुरू हुई, तो आई रियलाइज कि यू नो इट्स वेरी गुड कि अगर यू नो वो औरतों को भी अपने डिज़ाइंस में इनकॉर्पोरेट करें, यू नो डूइंग मोर प्रोडक्टिव थिंग्स.
Of course.
So they collaborated with us on this project. और अब हम जो है वो we've taken out a whole clothing line in collaboration with Pakistani artists.
Oh wow, and I think we can actually see it on screen as well. It looks pretty amazing as well. And you know, is this something that, you know, bags and all as well?
So it's sustainable tote bags as well.
Tote bags as well?
Tote bags as well. And honestly, it's so practical. I love shopping and I love buying bags. But जब से मेरा वो tote bag बना, मैं कोई और bag लेती नहीं. So practical.
It is very practical.
It's very practical.
I'm sure.
Grocery shopping के लिए, client meeting, it's very practical.
Yeah, of course. And grocery shopping में भी अगर आप notice करें, दुबई में तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा, you know, they're conscious. You have to buy your own jute bag.
Exactly.
You can't use a plastic bag. And most big stores, and I'm not gonna name them, जहाँ से हम सब अपने घर का सौदा खरीदते, उसमें we're not allowed to use plastic bag. और अगर आप अपना sustainable bag भूल जाओ, तो you're basically end up paying more.
Exactly.
अच्छा, so you know, there are a lot of misconceptions that people have about their homes as well. उनको लगता है कि अगर घर छोटा है, तो there's nothing that I can do to add depth to it, to make it look bigger. मैं spacious कैसे बनाऊँ? And you know, a lot of people in Pakistan do live like, you know, in smaller spaces. या घर का layout भी मैंने काफ़ी दफ़ा देखा है, इतना amazing नहीं होता. So how do you deal with that?
So you know, what we basically do is we like to suggest in those areas, we like to suggest lighter colors. You know, there's very trending color जिसको कहते हैं greige. Greige, yes. So greige is a combination of grey and beige.
How nice.
तो हमने उसको निकाल दिया as greige. And greige is basically, greys are very cold colors too, you know. तो अगर उसको थोड़ा आप ivory और beige undertones में mix कर दें, तो उसमें एक nice warmth आ जाता है. So if you have like a light color tones, you know, undertones as the whole house, और फिर आप एक focal point बना सकते हैं. जैसे आप एक wall ले सकते हैं जिसको आप अपना बना सकते हैं feature wall. आप उस पे कर सकते हैं, you know, wallpaper कर सकते हैं, molding करा सकते हैं, and then आप जो है, you know, you can play with lighting. तो light plays a major role.
Major role. Oh my God. Can we? I mean, I think अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं एक पूरा segment सिर्फ lighting के ऊपर करूँ. You know, Huma, it's such a big thing for me. I've come to realize मैं लोगों के घर जाती हूँ, and when the ceiling lights on or when the chandelier is on, it just really overstimulates me. I need lamps. I need lights that come from behind.
Yes.
So I'm the sort of person, I have lights under my bed.
Wow.
वो नीचे से आती है, and in my study table I have lights behind the shelf. So it reflects on the wall and it comes out. It doesn't come directly in my face.
Yeah.
Can you give our audience some tips कि you know lighting कैसे लगा सकते हैं?
तो लाइटिंग इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द मूड ऑफ द रूम, आपको कैसा चाहिए. कुछ लोगों को मुझे काफ़ी हंसी आती है क्योंकि मैं अक्सर कह रही होती हूँ शादी हॉल नहीं है, आपका घर है, तो ये इतने बड़े जो शैंडलियर्स हैं इसको प्लीज
and especially not in the room.
Exactly.
I see chandeliers in the room as well.
Yes, and those like you know 50 bulb chandeliers, so it's like नहीं. So I really like to play with lighting. तो अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा you know there are strip lights coming जो आपकी skirting में आप लगा सकते हैं. आप you know false ceiling देके अपनी spot lights दे सकते हैं अपने room.
That's a good idea.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's very cost effective.
It is very cost effective. I think I got like a 4-meter wire for very cheap.
Yes.
And you get multiple varieties मिलती हैं. मैंने अपने headboard के पीछे भी लगाया हुआ है. So when I read at night, the light doesn't really bother me. So पीछे से light आती है.
Exactly.
How interesting. And can you also tell us कि lighting से कमरे की look कितनी change होती है?
बहुत ज़्यादा. उससे पूरा room की theme ही बदल जाती है.
Absolutely.
तो you know अगर आपको मैं कहूँगी कि बहुत शौक है चने के chandelier लगाने का, आप लगा सकते हैं. But I would suggest that lighting as well. So you can have different moods in the room.
Moods in the room. Acha, speaking of lighting, Huma, I've noticed this new trend in Karachi with Gen Z and all, that in their rooms, my sister I think went through this phase as well. I think so did I, although I'm not Gen Z. You know, those really colorful lights.
Yeah.
I'd go take a shower and I have a blue light on in my room. When I'll come out, it'll turn into red, then it'll be green. What about that?
So,
can you incorporate these things?
We can incorporate it, but we don't normally really suggest it because वो थोड़े time के लिए अच्छा लगता है. But if you're going on a cost-effective way, तो अब जो है ना वो lights बहुत even the strip lights, even the spot lights, उनकी 3 colors होते हैं. वो warm white में होती हैं, वो एक yellow tone में होती हैं, और वो एक और white होते हैं. तो you can still have 3 colors, but वो 3 colors of white ही में होएगा. तो थोड़ा आप yellowish चले जाएंगे.
That's much better.
That's much.
Yeah, that's much better. White is very stark sometimes. Sometimes वो आपको मतलब ट्यूबलाइट वाला टाइम थोड़ा याद आ जाता है.
लगता है हॉस्पिटल में आ गए हैं. हाँ, थोड़ा होता है. Actually कमरे में कभी वार्मथ नहीं आती. I think white light is okay in the kitchen. It is, yeah, it is also. But अब I think वहाँ पे भी ज़्यादा spotlights का trend आ रहा है.
In the kitchen?
In the kitchen, but in the kitchen also people prefer white lights for the brightness.
हाँ, for the brightness, of course. And I think खाना पकाते हुए you also need. Don't you think white gives more light anyway?
It is reflective.
It is reflective.
It is reflective, so it does make the space look bigger and brighter. And I feel kitchen के लिए तो ऐसे colors बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं. क्योंकि you know वो हमारी जिस type की cooking है उसमें you know वो ज़रा सी dirt गिर जाए तो वो बहुत ही, अगर कोई dark colors हो ना जैसे chocolate brown या वो mud colors, तो उनमें वो एक तो dirt will be very prominent. उसके अलावा I think it's just it gives a very gloomy effect. और kitchen में you know आपको होता है कि वो smells अच्छी आ रही हैं, aroma खाने का, तो भूख लगे, ये नहीं कि जाके oh my god ये इतना depressing भूख ही आपकी मर
जाए. Exactly. I actually love that. And tell us some of the combinations for kitchen.
So I genuinely love light colors. I love working with ivory grays. तो kitchen के साथ grey बहुत अच्छा लगता है. उसके साथ आप एक darker tone use कर सकते हैं. Kitchen modern kitchens के साथ आप grey and black and white का color भी play कर सकते हैं.
Nice.
So we go with the rule of 60-30.
Yeah, I was going to ask you what the rule of 60-30-10 is.
So basically that is 60 is the primary color that we basically जो हम suggest करते हैं जो एक lighter tone हो.
ठीक है.
30% is जो आपका accent color अगर आपको कोई color add करना हो, and 10% is you know if you want to work with the brass, gold, silver, black. So that is, तो उससे जो है ना वो एक पूरा color theme आपकी एक
बन जाती है. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense actually. And 60 can also be the color of wood. So the audience can understand. अगर आपका room dominant, let's say, you know, a wooden floor, I'll have wooden whatever, and then I'll have one teal wall, and I have nothing else in the room. It's all whitish, ivoryish teal, and one red sofa. Like not a red sofa, like a red reading chair. And I know red is a no-go, but somehow with teal, it really goes well because that's the only one red thing that
one standout piece. Yes.
So what do you think of that?
It's very interesting, but I would say कि जो 60% होता है ना वो अगर wood का color है then I would say oak wood.
Yeah, oak wood.
Oak wood would be because you know wood also has a whole family.
Range of colors.
It has.
तो woods में कितने color आ गए?
Exactly. और वो walnut, वो एक cherry red wood भी आ जाते हैं तो वो बहुत dark हो जाता है.
Dark हो जाता है, absolutely.
Oak wood would be the lighter of.
Yeah, I'll send you a picture. It is oak.
Yeah.
अच्छा, so how can you make a neutral color palette look dynamic? Let's say अगर कमरे में सिर्फ wood है, okay? And this is a question that we actually got कि अगर आपका neutral color palette है तो हम उसको exciting और dynamic कैसे देख सकते हैं?
I think वो color pop करके, आपके एक्सेंट पीसेस ऐड करके। तो अगर आपको कोई एक्सेंट चेयर और यू नो ऐड करनी है जो स्टैंड आउट हो, जो उस वुड को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करे, वो नहीं जो उस वुड को एक्चुअली उसके साथ एक क्लैश हो जाए, यू नो, बिकॉज फिर वो कमरा बहुत डिफरेंट लगेगा।
ओके,
और वो एक बिल्कुल ही क्लैश हो जाएगा उस फील।
गॉट इट, परफेक्ट।